The history of the iPhone, a simple guide. The iPhone has become a major part of our daily lives, but do you know how it all started? In this video, we'll take you on a journey through the history of the iPhone, from its first introduction to the latest models. Let's explore how this revolutionary device changed the way we live and communicate. The beginning. Apple's vision. In the early 2000s, Apple was known for its computers and music players, but Apple's co-founder, Steve Jobs, had a vision for something new. He wanted to create a device that combined a phone, an iPod, Apple's music player, and a computer all in one. This idea was groundbreaking because at that time, no one had ever put these technologies together. The birth of the iPhone. In January 2007, Steve Jobs introduced the first iPhone to the world at a special event in San Francisco. The iPhone was different from anything else on the market. It had a sleek touchscreen design with no physical keyboard. Instead, users interacted with the phone through a big, beautiful screen. The iPhone combined a phone, an iPod, and an internet device into one elegant package. People were amazed by its simplicity and functionality. iPhone 3G and 3GS. The iPhone 3G was launched in 2008 and brought several improvements. It introduced 3G connectivity, which made the internet faster and more reliable. It also added the App Store, where users could download various apps to customize their phones. This feature changed how people used their devices, as they could now add new functions and games easily. In 2009, the iPhone 3GS came out with even more upgrades. It had a better camera, faster performance, and voice control. The improvements made it a popular choice among users who wanted a more powerful and versatile phone. The iPhone 4 and 4S. The iPhone 4, released in 2010, was a major update. It featured a new design with a glass front and back, giving it a sleek and modern look. It also introduced the high-resolution Retina display, which made everything on the screen look sharper and clearer. The iPhone 4 had a new camera with better quality and a front-facing camera for video calls. The iPhone 4S, launched in 2011, included even more enhancements. One of the biggest new features was Siri, a voice-activated assistant that could help with tasks like sending messages, setting reminders, and answering questions. The evolution, iPhone 5, 5S, and 5C. In 2012, Apple introduced the iPhone 5. It was taller than previous models and had a larger screen. It also supported 4G LTE, which made internet speeds even faster. The iPhone 5 was well received for its sleek design and improved performance. In 2013, Apple released the iPhone 5S and the iPhone 5C. The iPhone 5S was the first to introduce Touch ID, a fingerprint sensor that allowed users to unlock their phones and make secure payments with just their fingerprints. The iPhone 5C was available in multiple colors and had a lower price point, making it more accessible to a broader range of people. The iPhone 6, 6S, and SE. In 2014, Apple launched the iPhone 6 and iPhone 6 Plus. These models had even larger screens than the iPhone 5S, and the iPhone 6 Plus was the first phablet, phone-tablet hybrid in the iPhone lineup. The iPhone 6 series also introduced Apple Pay, a new way to make payments using your phone. The iPhone 6S, released in 2015, brought several new features, including 3D Touch, which allowed users to press harder on the screen to access different options. It also had a better camera and a faster processor. In 2016, Apple introduced the iPhone SE, which combined the powerful features of the iPhone 6S with a smaller, more compact design. It was a hit among users who wanted a powerful phone in a smaller package. The iPhone 7 and 8. The iPhone 7, launched in 2016, was known for removing the headphone jack, which was a significant change. Instead, Apple introduced wireless AirPods and improved the phone's water resistance. The iPhone 7 also had better cameras and a faster processor. In 2017, Apple released the iPhone 8 and iPhone 8 Plus. These models featured a glass back for wireless charging and improved performance. They also had enhanced cameras and better display technology. The iPhone X, XR, XS, and XS Max. To celebrate the 10th anniversary of the iPhone, Apple introduced the iPhone X in 2017. It had a stunning new design with an edge-to-edge OLED display and Face ID, a facial recognition system that replaced the fingerprint sensor. The iPhone X also had a dual camera system and was a major leap forward in terms of technology and design. In 2018, Apple released the iPhone XR, XS, and XS Max. The iPhone XR was a more affordable option with a liquid retina display and a range of colors. The iPhone XS and XS Max had improved performance, better cameras, and larger screens. The iPhone 11 series. In 2019, Apple launched the iPhone 11, iPhone 11 Pro, and iPhone 11 Pro Max. The iPhone 11 had a dual camera system, while the iPhone 11 Pro models introduced a triple camera system, which allowed for even better photography. These models also featured improved battery life and performance. The iPhone 12 series. The iPhone 12 series, released in 2020, introduced several new features. It included the iPhone 12, iPhone 12 mini, iPhone 12 Pro, and iPhone 12 Pro Max. The iPhone 12 models had 5G connectivity for faster internet speeds and a new design with flat edges. The iPhone 12 Pro models also featured LiDAR sensors for improved augmented reality experiences and better low-light photography. The iPhone 13 series. In 2021, Apple released the iPhone 13 series, including the iPhone 13, iPhone 13 mini, iPhone 13 Pro, and iPhone 13 Pro Max. These models offered improved cameras, better battery life, and a smaller notch on the front display. The iPhone 13 Pro models also featured ProMotion technology for smoother scrolling and enhanced performance. The iPhone 14 series. The iPhone 14 series, introduced in 2022, included the iPhone 14, iPhone 14 Plus, iPhone 14 Pro, and iPhone 14 Pro Max. The iPhone 14 Pro models introduced Dynamic Island, an innovative feature that replaced the traditional notch with a new interactive display area. The iPhone 14 series also featured improved cameras and performance enhancements. The latest models, iPhone 15 and beyond. In 2023, Apple launched the iPhone 15 series, including the iPhone 15, iPhone 15 Plus, iPhone 15 Pro, and iPhone 15 Pro Max. These models featured even more advanced cameras, a new design with USB-C charging, and improved performance with the latest processors. Apple continues to innovate and introduce new features with each iPhone release, making the device more powerful and versatile than ever. Conclusion. The iPhone has come a long way since its introduction in 2007. From its groundbreaking design to the latest models with advanced features, the iPhone has changed the way we live, work, and communicate. It has influenced the smartphone industry and set new standards for what a phone can do. As technology continues to evolve, we can only imagine what the future holds for the iPhone and how it will continue to shape our world.